The Lapu-Lapu Shrine is a 20-meter high bronze statue of Lapu-Lapu, the Filipino warrior king. He commanded the native forces that fought the invading Spanish forces in the Battle of Mactan in 1521 and killed their leader, the navigator Ferdinand Magellan. The Lapu-Lapu statue is said to be the exact spot where the battle was fought and where Magellan was killed. The statue shows Lapu-Lapu holding a sword in one hand and a shield on the other. These two weapons are said to have been used by Lapu-Lapu in his combat with Magellan. Lapu-Lapu was one of the two chieftains and kings of Mactan Island, and he vigorously resisted the early Spanish colonists in their attempts to conquer the Philippines. The Mactan Shrine, located on Mactan Island just off the coast from Cebu City, is a must-see for everyone interested in Filipino history. It commemorates the Battle of Mactan that took place in 1521 between the Spanish and the Visayan or Central Philippines native people in April 1531. And along with paintings and plaques about that battle, it also contains two other important shrines, the Lapu-Lapu Shrine and the Magellan Shrine. This monument was raised to Ferdinand Magellan, the Portuguese navigator. Also inside the Mactan Shrine and just meters away from the Lapu-Lapu Shrine is the Magellan Shrine. This monument was raised to Ferdinand Magellan, the Portuguese navigator who commanded the Spanish fleet sent out by the Spanish King Charles, later the Holy Roman Emperor Charles V, in 1519 to find a western sea route to Asia via the south tip of South America and the spices, such as nutmeg and cloves, at the Spice Islands, now known as the Moluccas and part of Indonesia produced. This is why the route is often called the Spice Route. Two sides shows Spanish governor and Spanish queen of the Philippines. The Magellan Monument was built in 1866 by the Spanish colonial rulers of the Philippines. One side, Magellan's name is written in the original Portuguese language. Here on 27 April 1521, Lapu-Lapu and his men repulsed the Spanish invaders, killing their leader Ferdinand Magellan. Thus, Lapu-Lapu became the first Filipino to have repelled European aggression. In an open fronted shelter inside the grounds of the Mactan Shrine is a panoramic painting of the Battle of Mactan and so-called Magellan marker erected in 1941 by the National Historical Institute. It's constructed of marble and has two plaques.
Let's go on a trip!